Creating a cluster on Azure is fairly straightforward. I would say in terms of difficulty level or complexity level, it falls kind of in the middle of the spectrum. It's not as complex of a setup as Google or Amazon, but there's more options and there's more things that you can dig into than the lighter weight solutions like Linode and DigitalOcean. So let's just take a look at this. We just log into the Azure portal, navigate to the Kubernetes service. All right, I have 2 clusters already that I've been testing with. And so I'm just going to click on create the dropdown and select create Kubernetes cluster. That's going to open up this screen. I'm going to go ahead and pick a resource group. I use this one, give it a name. So I'll call this AKS cluster 3. Okay. Yes, cluster 3. Had a punctuation mark in there. All right, the tier pricing, cluster preset. Let's do. I'll select production and the default version 1.27.7 as of this recording, and let's just go with that. Just accept all the rest of the defaults. See how this does. All right, so it does some verification stuff. Then I can hit create, and it's going to go and initialize the deployment. That will take a few minutes, as per usual with these things. So we'll wait for that to complete and see how far we get next time. All right, there we go. That took a few minutes, but it finished. And if I hit go to resource now, that will take me to the newly created cluster. From here, you can, modify your configuration or inspect it. For example, you can go to node pools. You can add a node pool. You can configure your node pool. You can configure the cluster, configure the network. Any changes you need to make, after creating it, you can do through the cluster. And but that's all we're going to cover in this video. We just want to show the basic process of getting an Azure cluster up and running. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.